Hey guys, morning. I hit the gym this morning because I want my evening free, and it was a deadlift workshop. And I did 115 RM. RM means rep max. So I hit 115 deadlift. So I'm sitting in the green room of a comedy club here, and I don't know. Can you rotate the camera while you're recording the video? We haven't reached so far. Can you? You can't. You can't rotate the camera while recording video. So this is a green room. The comics sit here, and I don't know why it's called the green room, because people are supposed to change to talk about it. So I'm about to go on stage in a few minutes. Then I'm going to Laugh Store later in the day. Then Sikandar Gupta. So that's my life. Okay guys, I'm a little tired, but I've reached Cyber Hub now. I opened for Tushar Basra. The show was in Hoskas, Laughter Nation, and the show started late, so I had a bit of a rush back to Gurgaon. But I've entered Cyber Hub now. The next show that I'm hosting is Mahip Singh's show, right? And it is at 9:30. It's 8:40 right now, so I have a bit of a breather to relax and chill. And then I'm gonna enter Laugh Store and I'm gonna meet him, and yeah, hopefully the show goes well. I'll feel happy if the show goes well. The last show there were a lot of kids, right? School kids, so it was a bit hard for me, but it made me realize I should write some jokes for school kids as well. So I'm gonna do that. This is the first time I had, like, they were 16 years old, 15 years old in the show. They were just there in Hoskas and they call them. So yeah, so that's something I've got to do. So because most of my jokes are adult jokes, but that's fine. So yeah, I'm here in Cyber Hub now. You can see it. It's all fucking buzzing. Even Hoskas was buzzing today. There's hardly any space to walk. Even Cyber Hub is buzzing. Weekends get busy because people have jobs. They fucking flock places of markets and on weekends. So there's like full. Place fucking full. Even Cyber Hub is full. All right. So yeah, I think I'm gonna rest a bit, breathe, walk a bit, and think about what I'm gonna perform. When I host Mahip. So bye for now. Alright guys, I thought I came to Cyber Hub, but this is literally Chavdi Bazaar right now. I mean, just look at this. This is fucking Chavdi Bazaar. Hey guys, I thought I'll do a bit of a walk, but this Cyber Hub is fucking Chavdi Bazaar today. Okay, it's like. Oh my god, there's so many people, just look at it. It's so full of people. I know the entire economy depends on people producing kids, but there are so many people here. Like, what's the point of having so many people there when they're not happy anyway? You can't be happy in so much crowd. It's fucking Chavdi Bazaar. It's Cyber Hub Bazaar. Cyber Hub Chavdi Bazaar. I can't. I don't live in India, but I find it very difficult to bear a lot of crowd. I mean, I just can't bear a lot of crowd. So I think I'll just go to Cyber Hub because there's a green room. I'll breathe there for fucking half an hour and think about what I'm gonna perform, and I'll just do that because otherwise I'll get even more strained and stressed in case I stay. There are people within 1 feet of me right now. So that's the last show in Cyber Hub. That's when I'm gonna do the show. I'm opening for Mahip here. It's one of the top comedy clubs in the country. Alright guys, this is the second green room today. This is last show, and this is the green room. And as you can see, this is the lineup today. Another one Mahip. I'm opening Mahip. So this is the last show of green room, and I'm going to hit the third room of the day, which is busy evening. Okay, bye. Okay, I'm leaving Laugh Store now. I had a kick-ass spot, probably the best spot since I started comedy in December. We started. It was so good. The entire Laugh Store was full, and I did about 10-12 minutes, and everything that I said got laughs. I did some crowd work, I did some jokes, everything got laughs. Absolutely happy. Hey guys, this is day review. I just reached home and had a pretty busy evening. I went to Delhi, opened for Tushar. Then I came back to Gurgaon, opened for Mahip at last show. Then I had one show at Gufturu. The second show got cancelled, but there was a lot of runabouts. But I'm happy that I performed in front of a bunch of audiences. One of the shows had like school kids, and I realized I didn't have a lot of jokes for school kids. Comedy is usually adult entertainment, but I'll have to figure out how to create a show for kids, which is clean, which is nice and simple. So I'll work on that. But otherwise, I think it was a good day. The spot that I did for Tushar, that show had kids and like some people where I did some jokes which I was thinking I'll do, but I did different jokes. But it was fun. The spot that I did for Mahip in last show, the whole room was full, and it was the best experience I've had in a bunch of months since I started comedy. Like, it was amazing. Everything I did killed, and that spot made me really happy. So yeah, that's it. I think overall I'm done, and that's the end of the day. Thank you for watching. I'm posting vlogs every day, so in case you want, you can just Google live from Marwani now. You'll find it. Alright, goodbye, good night.